Oh boy! The video just hit 88 likes on the Murder Jones J episode, which means it's time to bring in the special guest! And
Shit. What the fuck happened? Wait, what the hell?
This was a ploy by Caine.
Oh, God. That's the... Wait a minute. Wait, Caine? Wait a second.
You want to meet her for a reason.
Wait a second. Caine, why you brought me and Jay for?
I think that you two actually got yourself 88 likes for the video! So I thought bring you two here for the first episode! So how about, you know, an opportunity to say Murder Jones J versus Pomni?
Oh shit, is that today? Was the video today already? Oh shit.
I guess it was.
Ah, schnitzel. Yeah, I guess that might actually be a good idea for the video. Also, wait. Who is Pomni?
This Pomni right over here. Pomni, meet your newest foe, Murder Jones J!
You can't be serious, Caine.
Oh, I'm definitely serious, Pomni. But for right now, it's time for you to get yourself a new slide of increase. Off you go! New increase form! Ta-da! A new form of Pomni! With a slight budget.
This is weird.
Oh, don't worry about it, Pomni. Just to make sure for the rest of the video, I'll give you a special weapon. Normally that Jax doesn't basically use it again.
Okay.
So, what do you say, our special guest?
Okay, that seemed to be unfair. And now that she has a budget increase. So, yeah.
I'm a disassembly drone. I was built for this.
Right. Hey, Caine? Do you wanna, like, basically step back that these two are gonna fight? Or anything? Because I'm gonna be over there. So you wanna follow me for this one real quick?
That might actually be a very good idea, whatever your name is. Well, Pomni, it seems you're about to basically fly off against Murder Jones J, so go look on the action time adventure. So, be more very careful. Don't end up in a hospital bed. So, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go right next to Razor to see how you two basically fight. Go luck, Pomni!
Let's, hear this? I guess.
Well, Pomni was it? I hate to break it to you, but this is gonna hurt. And, I'm not responsible for this in a way. Charge!
Well, that was very unexpected. Wait, where is my sauce?